But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
May apat na trigger top po tayo sa 360. Kapag nag left side po kayo sa ma'am, left side nag signal light po kayo ma'am, yan ipapakita po sa inyo ma'am. Try nyo po ma'am. Opo. Yan, ipapakita niya po sa inyo ano. Tapos sa pangalawa naman po, sa right side naman po. Yan, yan. Ang pangatlo po natin ano ma'am, is yung ano po, yung hazard. Ito po, pangatlo po natin trigger. Kapag nag-hazard po kayo ma'am, ayan po, ito, actual body po nasasakay nyo ano. Ayan po, pag in-open mo po ito, ayan po ma'am. Ito po, pintuan nyo po mismo. Ang apat po ma'am na trigger po natin ma'am, is yung reverse. Kapag nag-reverse po kayo ma'am, ayan, automatic po sa ito. Pwede po full screen yan ma'am. Yan po, pwede po full screen. Pwede nyo po malagyan ng ganyan.
Double tap lang.
Pag full screen po, double tap nyo lang po.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me and come out with none, cause I'm so done. You had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide, cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.